Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. This is a Toyota Supra and this is by Tomica Tomi, and this is from their premium edition. So the box was a little bit damaged when I bought this because I bought this from Amazon. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So I actually bought this thing with a discount if I'm not wrong. I don't remember now. But as far as you can see, the box is damaged pretty well, and this is 1/62 scale. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car is this looks nice. It is actually pretty heavy. It is not weightless by any means. It is actually pretty heavy. You can easily throw it at someone and break his or her head. And the actually chassis is made of plastic. So only one abnormality I can see here is there is a small paint bubble here. So it usually happens when it gets old. So the wheels are actually made of plastic. So here the headlight is actually painted, and the tail light is actually they have some kind of plastic here. That is a welcome addition. So this one has some cool feature actually. One is the openable doors, as you can see here, and this is the right hand drive. And second one is this. Yep, this one also has the pop-up headlights just like the Diablo did. See, these kind of things I personally love. I don't see any other manufacturer doing this particular thing. So they always have openable doors or removable parts, something like that, but I never saw any brand actually released with feature like this. So there is a small trigger here if you want to see. So if you just move this in front, the headlights will pop up and it will lock in place. Even though it is painted, this looks really cool. Okay, so let's see. You can lock it back as well so that it won't come out. So this is the only concern I'm having, that small paint bubble, but the rest looks really beautiful. So the rims are actually unique to this particular car. So if you saw my Tomica unboxing videos so far, each car has a different set of rims. Nothing is actually repeated, at least so far. So let's see if this one has suspension. No, this one doesn't have any suspension. I don't know why. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't really roll well. The wheel wobbles a lot actually, but personally I don't mind on this because when it comes to Tomica, again it is not supposed to be played on tracks. So these are like scale accurate cars, and you need to keep this in showcase. But if you want to play with this one, go ahead and do it. My personal suggestion is don't do that. Keep it in your showcase. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.